Alright, lesson 24 is about functions. So we're going to create functions to call up our main problem to clean up our code and make it easier to organize things. So we're going to define a function, and then we're going to call that function in the main program. So work through this, and you can watch this video on calling the functions and defining them. But before it'll run something, you actually have to define it. So in this bubble here, lesson 3, the draw sky has a function, and then you have a function to draw the balloons. So all this stuff does is draw some balloons, and this draws a background. So if we hit run, it draws the sky because we called. So this is defining the function, and this one up here calls that function to be ran. So if we come in here and we pull in a my function, we can label it draw balloon. So now we're calling this function that's defined down here. You know, make sure it's spelled correctly. I've got an in or no. So however you make sure you spell everything the same. And so now we can reset and run, and it draws the balloon. First it draws the sky, then it draws balloons. If I happen to put this one above here and I reset and run it, it's going to draw the sky over the top. So order matters when you call your functions. Okay. So you're going to work through this lesson. You're going to create, and it's going to show you how to organize and define and call functions. So draw the background. This one's going to draw a background. This one's going to draw a tree. This one's going to draw clouds. This one's going to draw a fence. But before it will draw anything, you actually have to call them up. So you need to pull in on my function for each of them, and you draw the background. Oops. Hit the wrong key. So draw background. And now if I reset and run, it's going to draw the background. And then I have to pull in another function here and put draw trees. And now it will reset and run, it's going to draw the trees. And now I look down here, draw clouds. So I can pull in. And remember, order matters, because it's stacking these up. Now, as I proceed through here, it's just drawing everything else. And so I want to draw the fence. I can hit draw. And just created a picture by calling up the functions that we created. And so if this was in a draw loop, this cleans up all that other code that we've been doing. So work through these, make sure you're doing all the bubbles, just do what it asks you to do here.